New weekend, new cool stuff. So let's see what we have today.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is the weekend, and we're going to try something. We're going to do it a little differently. And if this is something that you like, then from time to time, we're going to give you more options. See, I think that on any given weekend that sometimes we'll present a really good product. Maybe it doesn't meet what you need, and then sometimes we can give you a showcase of two or three or four smaller products for smaller pricing, and that might fit the exact need and the exact want you have at that exact weekend. And because we're going to give you multiple options, we will make sure the full option is on one page. Absolutely no upsell. So this weekend, we're going to give you three products: VidRactor, Content Monster Pro, and Testimonial Pro. You can click on the buttons here, which will redirect you to the site, and you can go and take a look at all of the information and the pricing and all of those things. Like I said, so this weekend we have three products. They each start at $5, and then we're going to give you a special reseller option all on the same page. You decide what's best for you. Grab one, grab them all. I'll see you on the inside.